When you first visit our ElliottWaveTrader trading room, you'll land here on a page with all the content from all the services that you selected to try. To narrow the content to a particular service you're looking for, select from a service in our Services dropdown or from a list of services in the right column. This is Avi and Mike's Market Alerts, our flagship service. Its posts, as you can see, are designated by the header markets. Here are links to specific content in this service that you may want to read, such as Avi's end-of-day market updates and his expanded weekend reports, which you'll see also feature contributions by senior analyst Mike Golombeski. To see all of Mike's or any of our other analysts' content, click on the analyst's name here to go to their profile page. Or you can select a name from the analyst drop-down menu here. Let's select Zach Manis. You can see on this profile page all of Zach's posts, or you can narrow your search to particular sections that Zach contributes to, or particular services with Zach that you may want to see. Want to search for a particular symbol or market by Zach or any of our other analysts? Go to our market search here. You can select a market category, a specific analyst or all of our analysts, a specific time frame or all time frames, and even screen for posts that have charts. When you select all analysts, you can see the wide range of metals coverage by different analysts across several of our services. You can save this page as a filter. And now it's one click away when you go to the filters dropdown, which is here. Here's how you can interact with a post. To view the full discussion on a post, click here to open the thread and view the replies. Click again to change the right column back to a listing of services and special notes. To follow a post and be alerted whenever there's a reply within the thread, click on the follow icon here. Your alerts to new posts within the thread will appear in our notification center here. Click again to unfollow. You can bookmark the post here. This saves the post to your My Bookmarks page, which is on your profile page here. On the My Bookmarks page, in addition to viewing the history of your bookmarks, you can see the top bookmarks for various time periods to see what content other members value most. Click on All Posts to return to the full room. If you're interested in keeping a service beyond your trial, click on Your Services or on the Services and Billing link and then select Subscription Plan to visit our Services page and select a monthly or quarterly billing plan. Once you select a plan and provide your billing information, which I won't do at the moment, you can begin posting and won't be charged until the end of your trial. When you initiate a post, you'll also automatically be following it and receive alerts up here when you have an unread reply. Once you have posting privileges, you can also direct message anyone in the room here. Just start typing their name in the field to find them. If you need additional help, view this drop-down of educational links. In particular, attend our beginners webinars each Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern, which are archived here. Want to be alerted when the webinars are starting? Make sure the Beginner Circle email alerts are selected in your email notifications here, which they are. Still have questions? At any time, you can ask Tom, our EWT concierge.